guys, welcome. If you're new here, my name is Prestige P, and in today's video I'm going to show you how I get this nice burnt orange hair. This hair color was a mistake. It wasn't supposed to be like this, and I'm going to tell you exactly why it's this color in the tutorial. But before we get started, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below, right here, right now, and also turn on your notification because I do upload every single Tuesday, Thursday, and Sunday. So I am in love with this hair. I went ahead and I color it. I do everything with it, and I am pleased with this hair. I love it so much, and it fit me. I never have a hair color like this before ever in my life, and I'm happy. I'm happy the way how it turned out, even though this wasn't the way how it's supposed to turn out. And you will see my mistake, because listen, everybody make mistake. Nobody's perfect. And I want to show you exactly how this hair came out looking like this because of a mistake. But the mistake was very nice in the end. And I am pleased, and I will never change this hair color. Ever. I'm in love. I'm so in love. Fit me so well. But yeah, I don't want to do too much chit chat. I'm in love. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will definitely see you again in my next video. Bye guys. Okay guys, so let's get started with this tutorial. I have my container, my brush, my 30 developer, and also my quick blue hair powder and my gloves. Okay, so these are the stuff that I have with me, and I'm going to go ahead and pour the powder into the container. And this here is a 26-28 inches, so I'm going to pour quite a good amount, and then I'm going to pour my 30 developer and mix it up. And you want a not too thick, not too creamy, consistency, and just go ahead and just mix it up until it's very smooth and creamy, and just the way how you want it to be. So this is the hair. This is the infamous hair, and let me tell you a little bit of story about this hair. When I first got it, by the way, this hair is from my hairline, prestigehumanhair.com. All links will be down below in the description box, so go ahead and check it out. So when I got this hair, it was a 1B natural black. Then I had it for 2 years now, and I decided to color it kind of like a cranberry color. So first it was 1B, then I changed it to a cranberry color, and then I changed it back to jet black. So now I am going to go ahead and change it to another color. And the color that I wanted to have was like a golden brownish color, like a ombre color. That's exactly what I was going for. So that color that you saw in the intro was not the color that I wanted, but I love it in the end. And yeah, this hair went through a lot, okay, a lot. So right now I'm going to go ahead and part it off at the back, and I'm going to go ahead and start from the, just from the tip of the hair, and I'm going to put it all the way up to the top, but not exactly all the way up to the top because I want a ombre effect. So right now, as you see me doing, I'm putting in the developer, and I'm just going to brush it all the way up and make sure that you saturate the hair. Make sure all of the developer is in the hair, because you don't want a different color and stuff into the hair. So as you see me doing right now, I'm turning the brush horizontally and I'm brushing down, because as I said, you want a ombre effect. And then I'm going to go ahead and just comb it out. So I'm going to go ahead and just comb out the other section, and then how I did the first one, start from the bottom and work my way all the way up to the top, and then turn my brush horizontally and brush down. Okay, so now I do one section. I'm going to go ahead and just do the other all the way up to the top until I'm finished, just like the same way how I do the rest. Okay, so now I am finished with it. I'm going to go ahead and back it up. Yeah, I'm ghetto. Okay, whatever. And I'm going to leave it there for a couple of hours and then I'm going to wash it out. Okay, so you see how the hair turned out? That's not the color I'm going for, okay? As you can see, it have a golden color, then you see have a yellow, and then up top kind of like a color that I kind of like, and I was like, okay, I like the color on top. I'm gonna go ahead and change it. So as you see me doing, I went to the beauty supply store, got me some hair color, and I decided to color it, okay? So go ahead, section off the hair and brush it out. And as you can see how this hair is, let me tell you something. This hair went through a lot, and you can see the ends how it's still nice. It's not dry and trashy, and it's very pretty. Like this hair go through a lot and it's still looking good. So this is the hair color, and this is called Canju Spice, and it's from the Adore. And this is a hair color I'm going to use, and I'm going to mix it up with my conditioner, and this is the Cream of Nature. So now I'm going to go ahead and put my gloves on and section off the hair. Just like how I did the first part, I'm going to start from the bottom and work my way up to the top. And as you can see how the hair color looks already when I put it onto the hair, I was like, okay, I think this hair color is going to turn out really good because I'm liking this. So that's how I got the color that you saw in the intro. And this is the Canju Spice, but I call it burnt orange because when you see it like face to face and you see it outside like in the sunlight, it looked like a burnt orange, you know. So that's how I got the name burnt orange, and I am in love. I love it so much. So I'm gonna go ahead and just do the whole entire hair with this color. So I let this hair color sit for like 4 hours. I went ahead and washed it out. I deep conditioned it and I let it air dry. So this is the color. It kind of look like reddish color, but it doesn't look red, you know, but I'm in love. When I got it, I was like, oh my God, this is so pretty. So I'm going to go ahead and curl it up just a little bit, and I'm going to use my heat protector and my curling wand. So I'm going to go ahead, put some into the palm of my hand, and then lather it all over the entire hair. Because you're putting heat into the hair, you have to put heat protector. And you can see how pretty this hair color is. Very pretty, very nice. It will match any skin tone, any skin tone. So as usual, starting from the back and pinning it up, and I'm going to go ahead and section it off. So you can see that it have kind of like an ombre effect. That's what I'm going for. So I'm going to take my wand right here, and it's all the way up to 450. Yep, 450. Bring the wand to the bottom and then curl it around. And I don't want a tight curl. I just kind of want like a body wave curl to it. I don't want it to be too tight. So I'm going to let it sit for like 10 seconds and then hold it into my hand for like 5 seconds so that the heat could come out, and then I'm going to go ahead and drop it. So this is the curl. This is the curl I'm going for. As you can see, not too curly, and you know, it's like a body wave. So I'm going to use my Sebastian hairspray. I got it from Amazon. This hairspray is like a holding hairspray, and it holds all flyaways and everything. So I'm going to use it throughout the hair. And this Sebastian hairspray is very, very, very good. And they also have the condition and shampoo, which I do have, and you should try it out. It's really good. So I'm going to go ahead and just work my way up all the way to the top until I'm done. So you see how lustrous, so pretty this hair color is, and also the curls, very pretty. I was in love. I loved it so much. Look at the ends. Like, wow, this is really pretty. And I just did a side part, and I leave the top part curl under because I kind of like want the top part to be more curly than the rest. So this is a finish, guys. This is a finish, and I'm going to go ahead and put some more Sebastian hairspray into the hair just to keep the curls you know, more longer. And also I'm going to put my olive oil because this hair go through a lot, so the shine and the sheen is out. So I'm just going to sheen it up just a little bit, and pretty much that's it. I'm going to go ahead and put the wig on. I do have a tutorial of me putting on the wig with my bolt hole. That video will be up very, very, very shortly. But yeah, guys, this is it. This is the final. Looks very pretty, guys. I'm in love. But don't forget to subscribe before you go. Turn on your notification, and I will definitely see you again in my next video. Bye, guys.